Hello students, let us solve a problem from NEET UG Paper 2018. Here is a problem. In this problem it is stated that the refractive index of the material of a prism is √2 and the angle of prism is 30 degree. One of the two refracting surface of the prism is made a mirror inwards by silver coating. Now a beam of monochromatic light entering the prism from the other face will retrace its path. Now you have to find out the angle of incidence for which this would happen. Let me restate the problem from this figure. Suppose this is the given prism which has refractive index of the material to be √2 and angle of prism is 30 degree. Now this surface is silver coated to make it a mirror inward. Now the monochromatic light is entering into the prism through this refracting surface and it is retracing its path after the reflection at this silvered surface. You have to find out the angle of incidence I such that the ray can retrace after reflection at this silvered surface. So this is the question. So we know for a prism R1 plus R2 is equal to A. A means angle of prism. What is R1? R1 is the angle of refraction at this first refracting face and R2 is the angle of incidence at this second refracting surface. So for the light to retrace its path, it has to incident normally onto the mirror. That means the angle of incidence must be 0. So therefore angle of incidence of the light at this second or silvered surface must be 0. That is R2 is equal to 0. And therefore we get the angle of refraction R1 for the first refracting surface to be equal to A. A means 30 degree which is given. Now if we apply Snell's law at this surface, then we will easily get the angle of incidence I. So sin I is equal to √2 into sin R1. So sin R1, see R1 is 30 degrees, so it will give you half. So you will get this side as 1 by √2 and sin of I is equal to 1 by √2 and hence I will be sin inverse 1 by √2 which will give you 45 degree. Therefore the second option will be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.